This kettle looks like 200 years old. Wow. But I love it. It makes the best tea. Hello everyone. It's been a long time and I missed you so much, but here I am back. Don't be angry, don't be mad. You are so much welcome to my channel again. And if you're new here, my name is Akech. What's wrong with this? My name is Akech Joywini and I create content here on YouTube on fashion and lifestyle. Content that you should subscribe to. Oh my god, the birds. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys what it's like to live in a model apartment. I live in the model house right now. God's timing is always the best. So your girl is now living in the model house, and when the time comes and it's to move into my luxurious apartment, I'll definitely move, okay? I wanted to say that there's time for everything. If you want to rush things and go to a step that you have to go in 2 years time and you want to reach there in 1 day, if it's not God's timing, it's dangerous for you. But if it's God's timing, it's good for you. I'm giving you like the most organic experience. I'll show you guys how the kitchen looks like. So that's the kitchen. Do you guys see that kettle? I wonder how old that kettle is and how many generations of models have used that kettle. Let me go show you guys. For some reason, no one ever, like, me inclusive, never scrubbed this. Oh my god. This kettle looks like 200 years old. Wow. But I love it. It makes the best tea. I'm seated right here with my pot of tea. Yeah, I know, like, down there, like, just check. Yeah. That's the model house for you. Now that you've seen the powerhouse, let me show you guys the living room. Yes, so that's the living room for you. Yes, and the fireplace. I sometimes think if I ever light this fireplace, the whole building may go on fire. It's so scary. Okay, I'll show you guys the view. There's no view here. I love the view. Okay, I'll show you guys another view. Ooh, this view is much better, right? Wake up, it's raining and it's Monday. Looks like one of those rough days. Time's up, let out again, so get out the door. Ooh, when the lights go down, it's the ending of that show. And you're feeling like you have nowhere to go. Don't you know? Okay, guys, let me go show you my room. I'll show you guys the backyard first. My room. This is the first floor. That's one room. This is the bathroom. That's another room. Oh, I forgot. That's a painting. Oh, another one. Another one. That's my room. That one is another room. That's another bathroom. That's another room. And that's another room. Okay. And behold, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, my bed. I'm going to make it my closet, my table. So this is my room. I'll show you guys the view of my window. It looks better at night. Why haven't I bought a curtain? Ooh, I also don't know why I'm not buying a curtain. I hope I book that casting though.